Hi, so in this video we'll cover how to conclude. So first thing is that you should save time in other aspect of interview so that you have enough room for you to conclude. For example, I see candidates spending a lot of time on prioritization. One way you could save time is just pick two criterias and prioritize quickly and then state what you could have done in real life. For example, you could have spoken to engineering, get the real estimate. You could have spoken to 4 or 5 customer to understand the real value, real customer value, business value to this. So make sure that you are not spending time where interviewers don't want you to. Tip number 2 is when you are doing a recap, make sure that you are focusing on the most important points. For example, for product design question, you should highlight what was the goal, what was the customer segment you picked, what is the problem you picked, and the solution. The rest of this you don't have to highlight. Similarly, for the strategy, the goal, the 3 strategy pillars that you highlighted, and maybe 1 or 2 feature ideas. So one thing you could do in a recap is to give name to things. For example, if your feature is about using AI to provide fitness guidance to customer, rather than calling it AI enhanced fitness or something, call it fitness GPT. Similarly, for a strategy, try to give a name to your strategy pillars. That makes it easy for interviewer to take notes of, and also it's more memorable. Tip number 3, bring out things that are areas where you could be wrong or you have missed out completely. For example, in product design, maybe privacy, security are aspect you did not think through. And in any company, it becomes a very big deal. It takes a lot of time for us to get clearance from privacy, security in order to launch a product. Similarly, for a strategy, whatever you propose, competitor could take an action. For the metrics you propose, you might get a false positive. So make sure that you make a note of these things and highlight during the interview that these are the things you would take care of in real life, but now in the limited time in the interview, you don't want to focus on.